Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Mitsubishi Outlander service light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and press the trip meter until ODO shows, then press and hold the trip button firmly until the service light blinks and resets. If that method fails, try cycling power or repeating the hold procedure. Always confirm maintenance was completed before clearing reminders so you do not skip required service. In this video, I will show how to reset Mitsubishi Outlander service light. Find the trip meter button on the dash and press it repeatedly until the ODO reading appears. Then press and hold the button for several seconds until the service light blinks and turns off. If your Outlander has slight variations, repeat the process or try a longer hold. Always double-check that oil and inspections are done before clearing the indicator. In this video, I will show how to reset Mitsubishi Outlander service light. If the indicator refuses to clear, switch the ignition off and on and repeat the procedure, or try holding the trip button longer. Refer to the owner manual for variations specific to trim levels and dash layouts. Never clear a service light without performing the required maintenance, and consider visiting a technician if the warning persists to protect your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.